Okay, so I'm just worried about the number of F's in my class, and I know that most of it has to do with technology, okay? So today I'm just gonna show you how to go ahead and create your Cornell notes the correct way, okay? So first thing I want you to do is always go into your Google Mail like this, and then click on the Rubik's Cube right here, okay? And when you do that, you will be able to go into Drive, right? So when you go into Drive, what I want you to do is find the folder, which is under Classroom, and then you have to find Choi Math 1 period 2, or whatever your class period is. Make sure you find the correct folder, okay? So then now, whenever you want to take notes, what you're going to do is you're going to find the template. Remember we created this together? So click on the Cornell Note template, okay? It should always remain blank. What you're going to do is click on Edit, select All, Edit, and then Copy. Then once you are done copying this, you're just going to close it, okay? Now, next thing you want to do in your folder, you're going to click on Create Document, okay? So then now what do? It's all blank. So you're going to go into Edit and Paste. So then now you have everything. The first thing that you want to do, and a lot of you missed out on a point because you did this wrong, your title was wrong, okay? So make sure the first thing you do is click on Untitled Document. Let's change it to your last name, first initial, and then I want you to write Cornell Note and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes you could just put last name, first initial, Cornell Note, and then topic. But I will tell you what the title is. In our case, I said you're going to put Cornell Note 2. So click on OK, and now you are ready. Don't forget to write your name, date, topic, class period, whatever period you're in, your essential question. And then you're going to take notes here. Don't forget that all your text is going to be in black, but if you have an answer to a question, it's going to be in a different class. I'm going to close this out because I already have Cornell Notes 2 right here, okay? So if I click on it, here are all the important components, okay? I have the topic, I have all the essential questions, and we inserted this picture. My answers are in red. Now, for you guys, you have to make sure before you turn in your work that you have your essential, your left column questions. You need a minimum of 1. And then your summary, what did you learn? Today I learned. And then you have to write down a minimum of 2 sentences, okay? Once you are done, you don't have to save anything because in Google Docs, they save it automatically for you, so you can just close it. So now you might be wondering, how do you turn this in? You do not share the document with me, okay? So this is what you're going to do. You go into your email again, and then you go into my haiku page, okay? And in there, I have a link, okay, to Google Classroom. So then if I go into Miss Choice Integrated 1 or Integrated 2, whatever your class is, and then I scroll down, it says link to Google Classroom. So then I'm going to click on that. So once I go in there, go ahead and find my classroom. Right now I am in period 2, so I'm going to click on Choi Math 1 period 2. So then, what is the assignment you have to turn in? Is it Cornell Notes 3? No, we were just talking about Cornell Notes 2, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Cornell Notes 2. And by the way, thank you very much, the 31 of you who did it and turned it in, right? When I click on it, it's going to be different. So what I'm going to do, because I'm a teacher over here, I'm going to go to another classroom to show you how it looks from your side when you turn in an assignment, right? So there you go. Let's say this is my assignment. I clicked on it, okay? So then what I see is, because I already submitted it before, I need to unsubmit it just to show you how I'm gonna do it, okay? So then what I'm gonna do is now I have to add my assignment, right? So I click on Add, and then I have to go into Google Drive, okay? If you did not turn in your work, please follow me. Then once you go in there, I gotta find the classroom folder. And from there, I gotta find whatever period I'm in, right? Right now I'm with period 2, so I'm going to go into that folder. And remember how I was just working on Cornell Notes 2? So I click on that, okay? And then I'm going to click on Add. So then I have to wait a little bit until my document pops up over here. Now it did, right? So then if you wanted to send me a comment, you can say something, and this is private between you and I. So if you turn in your assignment late, you can tell me, Miss Choi, my doggy died yesterday, or Miss Choi, I don't have Wi-Fi at home, so I had to turn it into you this morning. I just got here, it's 7 a.m. and I'm turning it into you. I do take these things into consideration. It's not your fault that you don't have Wi-Fi at home. It's not your fault that your doggy died on the day you tried to do your homework, right? So please, whatever it is that you want to say, nobody else can see it but me. So submit that. And then you can go ahead and click on Turn In. Now that was a really long video, but this is how you turn in your assignment, okay? Alright, so that's the end of my tutorial. I hope that nobody else ever uses I don't know how to submit my work as an excuse to not turn in their work, because that is not okay. Alright, thank you.